Okay, guys, I'm starting with the Excel. Always we need to open Excel from search engine. Okay, go to the search engine and write Excel, Excel. Okay, you can see how exactly the Excel is look like. The always Excel logo with X. Okay, you can see Excel logo with X. Even the word, how we can see how exactly the word are looking like W, right? See, word. After PowerPoint, how look like? P. So Excel is look like with a X logo, and after that there is a one kind of file. Okay, let me open Excel. Now, when I am opening Excel, you can see this is a launching window about the Excel. Okay, you can see home. There is a similar like a PowerPoint and Word, right? You can see home, new, open, account, option, right? So these all are my what? Our launching window. Okay, let me again bring it launching window. How we can bring it? Use Excel. Okay, type over here Excel and open it. You can see the launching window will be open. Now in home, again, home is a what? Combination about new and open, right? Let me check. Is it I am on recording? Ha, I is on. So home is a combination about new and open. Okay. When I am clicking on new, you can see there is a predefined template plus my actual means a blank one also is over there. When I'm clicking on new, you can see it's again same, right? Means one it's a blank workbook. Again, see over here what we are using, if suppose I want to go with the scratch one, that's called blank workbook. Okay, this is blank workbook. In PowerPoint, what we are using? PowerPoint presentation, right? After that, in Word, what we are using? Blank document. Here we are using what? Blank workbook. Okay. Now, after that, let me go to the, even when I'm going to the down, there is a predefined templates also, or different predefined templates. Okay. So even we can learn after that, we can see the predefined templates plus the blank one. I will show you definitely after later. Now let's go with the open. Open means, whatever previously I made it. You can see this is the previously whatever I made it, it's over here. If when I'm going to the browse and I can take a previous one in downloading, suppose I don't have anything. I don't think so. I have anything Excel file. Okay, I have Excel file in my one folder. Let me show you. Sky Vision College, TTS batch. See, employee data for a student. So even I have the something EMP data. So if I want to open, I'm just clicking over here and just say open. So previously, if suppose I have any kind of file, I can directly open that. See? So this is you already know open. Let me delete it. Let me again go back to the Excel. I mean, again, I'm opening Excel, going inside of my Excel. Home is a combination about new and open. Okay. You already know that thing. Okay. Let me go to the new. New, I have the two types of concept. I already shown you what open. If suppose previously I have anything Excel spreadsheet, I can open that. Okay, using by open. Previously, if suppose it's existed, I can open a previous one. Now, if suppose I want to go to the new one, in new we have the two types of option. First is what? Blank workbook, and second is predefined templates. Okay, suppose I want to choose a predefined template because every time I am showing me with the predefined, right? Suppose I want to make a calendar. You can see there is a one calendar. I'm clicking over here and just say create. You can see the calendar is there. Calendar I start with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, you can see they are making calendar using by rows and columns. We can also made it same like that. Let me zoom out. You can see properly. See February calendar, we can also made that. But I don't want predefined. Always I am focusing in what? If I want to make your own one. Okay. Apart from we have the another kind of also template. Like suppose, let me show you which kind of another template we have. I'm going to the files. After same I have the new functionality over here also. I'm going to the new and taking a loan calculator. even we can make a calculator also inside of my Excel spreadsheet. Because how we can make a calculator? Because in Excel I have the functionalities. I can do a addition, subtraction, multiplication. I can do a formula also. So when I'm clicking right loud, let's take a ready-made one. I'm checking this and just say a create. See, it's a predefined templates. I did not need to ready from scratch. But only the thing is, even let me show if I am changing any kind of changes, like I'm going over here and I'm writing over here loan amount will be a 20,000, 20,000. Previously, the roll amount, what that's the loan amount has been a 1000. I'm just changing the loan amount and see when I am changing loan amount, the automatically the whatever we have this one, it will be a change. See, it's a change. Let me show again. I'm going to the loan amount. Right now, I'm writing over here three 30,000. Okay, I'm writing over 30,000. Let me go down. You can see all number will be changed. Let me click in by outside. See, it changes. So we can even take a predefined templates also. So calculate our load. But the problem only the one, whatever the data they are taking, it will be a match for our data. That's a big issue. Means whatever the data they are taking, it will be not match for us definitely, right? See, this is the whatever add we need to also add 120, even 120 column, even we need to add all about amount and everything. We need to add all these things. And this is, to be honestly, it's not that much of understandable. That purpose we need to understand for each thing, what exactly they're doing, what addition subtraction they are using. You can see there they are using something formula. This is a formula they are used over here. So we didn't understand. Okay. So let's go with the our own one. Okay. With the first we are doing something addition. We are doing after multiplication. One by one we are going deeply. But before going to the anywhere in calculation, let's understand how exactly is the Excel. Okay, because we don't know the functionality inside of Excel, how exactly is this. Okay, let me go again to the file. Okay, I let me complete that first one. Okay, going again, opening Excel. This is again my launching pad. Okay, you already know in new what I have. I have the predefined templates. I can take any kind of predefined templates. Open, you already know. If suppose previously anything is open, I can again open that Excel spreadsheet. Okay, after that accounts. Always accounts is information about what the user, and after that I have the what the who what is the my version of my PowerPoint. You can see I'm using not PowerPoint. I'm using Excel version what 2026. Okay. Even the if suppose I want to do a changes with my product key, I can do that. If I want to do any settings with my account manage, you can see there is a manage account also. I can do this stuff over here. Now options you always know. If suppose I want to do any changes with my settings about settings only for my Excel, I can do that changes. How we can see? Let me show over here. If I want to change my quick access toolbar, you can see over here, I'm going to the quick access toolbar. I just want to add something, a center. I'm just clicking over here and say add. You can see whatever the add is, whatever the center is over here, it will be come to the my quick access toolbar and just say okay. You can see the extra option is there. Okay, it's a visible for you guys properly. Now if I want to remove that, again I'm going to the file, going to the options. Okay, and after there is again quick access toolbar. See, watch over here, this will be a remove. Okay, I'm going to the center and just say remove and just say okay. See, it's gone. So this is all about whatever we are doing regularly in PowerPoint, in regularly Word. It's a similar. Okay. Now after that, let me say you what exactly the layout. Let me go to the files. After that, let me check in new a blank workbook. Means my own one I want to create. I'm clicking over here. Always Excel look like this.